Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com Cloud IoT on Nano RP2040. Alright guys, it's getting very interesting, right? So in the previous lesson, that was the introduction. You saw a pretty high level information about the Nano 2040 chip, right? So this is the one RP2040 chip within nano and multiple sensors. So this is basically a zero to hero series on cloud IoT using Nano RP2040 Connect, which can be programmed using your favorite programming languages like Python or C++. And you will learn to build IoT applications on the cloud, collect some data from inbuilt sensors, and apply some machine learning techniques on the cloud and visualize the analytics and take actionable decision with live predictions on the cloud. There are ton loads of things it can be done. However, we need to start from the basic aspects, and in this lesson, I will show you how to set up certain, the board managers and stuff like that in your IDE. Guys, I am not going to show you how to install the Arduino IDE. I have covered that part in many of my parallel series, right? You can go to my Arduino series or any other tutorials. Installing Arduino IDE is very simple. Just go to arduino.cc and select for Windows or Linux operating system, download, double click, install. Done. So let's move on. So the way we are going to proceed, I will just connect my Nano. So this is my Nano board. So you need to use this micro USB port. This micro USB port has to be connected to your USB terminal to your computer. So this is the USB wire. You generally have one side is the USB. This is the USB part which goes to the computer, and this is the micro USB part which goes to your Nano. So these cables, either you get it with this board or you can buy it separately, either which ways. So connect this to your, all right. Once you hook it up, it's fixed. And now the other part, this part of the USB should be connected to your laptop or computer. So I am going to hook it up to my laptop, and there you go. I can see a happy little light. So when you boot for the first time, guys, the first time when you connect RP2040 Connect Nano, you will see multiple color lights, the RGB lights, right? So I have already used it, so I may not be able to see that light unless until I reset the entire board, which is not going to happen now. So you might see multiple color, RGB lights here, a violet color, a green color, and there's another green color, so multiple lights. So do not get confused, all right? So don't worry about that. Just go ahead and hook it up, okay? And now what we need to do? So let's move on to Arduino IDE, okay? So I'm on my Arduino IDE. I hope you guys can see this. So open the IDE. Once you open it up, go to tools. All right. Go to tools, and then I'm sorry, let me go to tools, manage libraries, where get board info, boards manager. You need to go to board manager. Once you get this screen, all right, you need to type embed, or you need to type it here, Arduino embed OS nano boards. All right, keep a note of this, Arduino embed OS nano boards. You need to type this here, and if you hit enter, you will get these two, Arduino embed OS, and then the bottom one, it's mentioned as depreciated, so this is not required. It's certainly not required. You can install this board manager which is written here. In my case, I had already installed it. You can select the version. It'll by default it'll select the latest version, that is 2.3.1. okay, you can go to more info and read through what exactly it is. Let me just click. So it's taking you to Arduino site. It's going to speak about various boards and stuff. You guys can go and read this. It's pretty informative. It's just for knowledge purpose. All right, go ahead and install this. Okay, once you install, you can close this, and then what you need to do, go to tools and go to board, and here below board manager you can see Arduino embed OS nano boards. You can see two. Okay. This is the embed OS 2040 board. This is for Raspberry Pi Pico, which I installed earlier in one of my previous series. That is not required. You need to select this Arduino embed OS nano boards. Okay, in nano boards you need to select Arduino Nano 2040 Connect like this. Once you connect, okay, go to COM port, select the COM. Mine is COM 7. Yours might be different, guys. It might be different, so you need to watch out. COM 7, and there you go. It's been selected. Now, all right. Now let's go ahead and run a basic example. I'm sorry, I have a pretty bad throat today. Let me go to examples. Let me go to basics. In basics, let's go to Blink. I'll open this Blink sketch. All right. In this Blink sketch, I'm going to upload. Click the upload button. This is the arrow mark you can see. That is the upload button. And on the right hand side, it's uploading, it's compiling sketch. You can see at the bottom, it's compiling sketch. It takes a while. Okay, so this opens up a separate window. It says done uploading, and I can see my LED blinking. So let me just share my screen. Share my Arduino, and there you go. You can see perfect the red LED. Can you see it here, guys? Here the red LED, it's blinking. So the sketch is working perfect. Your Arduino Nano RP2040 Connect is working perfect. Your board manager has been installed, and we are able to load the first blink code, the sample code, example code successfully, and it seems to be working. All right. So guys, this is basically, this lesson is basically to set up the embed core OS on your IDE. That is the board manager which detects your Arduino Connect 2040 chip to the Arduino IDE. So that's been done, and we also try to load the example code, which works perfectly, right? Fantastic. Now we are all set to do further research in this particular board, guys. Our goal is to learn about the IoT and also some bit of basic machine learning exercise, and we will try to access some of the inbuilt sensors and try to capture data. It's going to get interesting. Do stay tuned. I will come back. Very goodbye.